Hey guys, Portia here, and today I am opening up my latest Sublimation Trend Box from Johnson Plastic Plus. If you have seen me open these before, you know that I love a little bit of a surprise. So doing the monthly subscription is going to be a gift for myself, which is a surprise every single month. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Okay, so as usual, I am going to take out our cheat sheet, which is what I call it. All it is it just describes what's exactly in the box, but I don't like to look at that right away, so I'm going to just go ahead and set it aside. The orange paper always gets me excited. Okay, so let's start here. This is wrapped up really, really well. All right, so look, y'all, I was about to say we have a basic mug, but this mug is not basic, and let me show you why. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so we can totally sublimate on the outside, and then we got a little peekaboo going on the inside. So this is actually so cute, and I can already tell you, I always like to guess the theme of the box, but this is definitely Christmas, definitely holiday. So let's see what else is in the box. We have some ornaments here with the little ribbon, of course, to hang. So we have, now this is sublimatable on both sides. That's pretty cool. And I also like sublimating on wood. So this is going to be pre-treated, so you don't have to like do anything extra like lamination or coating or anything like this. You'll be able to go ahead and sublimate on both sides. So could you imagine, guys, the baby's first Christmas or something like that, or everyone gets their own ornament with their name on it? Yeah, good ideas. What's in here? I love a box within a box. Ooh, okay guys, so this is a wine tumbler, and one of the very first sublimation projects that I ever did was on a wine tumbler. But let me tell you, it was not like this, because my wine tumbler was smooth all the way around, and this one has little divots in it. So it reminds me of stars. So as you move it, it does give off a little bit of shine. So we'd be able to sublimate on this part. Don't know how well the sublimation would take to this, because you know it's layered and, well, not layered, but textured. But this is nice. I like this, y'all. All right. So we have something else that we can hang and personalize. All right, so this is dark wood. So we cannot sublimate on the wood. What we would do is sublimate on this piece here, and of course personalize it with whatever it is that we like. I can imagine this going on the door, right? For the holiday, we're gonna put a special little message there to all our guests. So yeah, I think that would be really nice. What have we here? Let me see, does this go along with, let's take a look at our cheat sheet. Okay, so this does go along with the box here. So this is an insert that goes with, and I'm guessing it says right here, it's the wood block. It's a tree wood block. Move this out the way. All right, so we have two different inserts. So the way I see it is we could do a switch out. So we could sublimate on this, and when we got tired of looking at this image, we could switch it out and use the other. Or we can sublimate different images, of course, on both sides, or the same, depending upon how you want to do it or where you want to place it. So if you're putting it on, say, a table, you may want the same image on both sides. Or not, it's up to you. But I like that it comes with two different pieces that you can sublimate on, because you can really make it fit the decor as you see fit. So yeah, that works. Okay, and we have something else here. Oh wow, so I love big surfaces because it just says there's so much room, so much blank space to sublimate on. And let me grab my little cheat sheet here. So this is actually a reusable tote bag. So you could pretty much use this for anything, like going to the grocery store. Heck, I don't know, going regular shopping, because you know a lot of stores now don't have bags, so you bring your own. And this has plenty of room. So yeah guys, this is all I have for you today. I just wanted to share with you all everything that came in my latest Sublimation Trend Box. And as I stated before, this is definitely holiday themed. I am most excited, well, you know what, I don't know which one. I'm most excited to sublimate on this one because I just love the little peekaboo. But also I'm interested in the little wine glass here. Like I said, the texture is like giving me life. I love it. It adds a little bit of bling in my opinion. Can you see the gloss? Can you see the gloss? But yeah, if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, could you go ahead and give it a thumbs up? But guys, as always, until next time, peace.